In this video, you'll learn how to generate reports with Kimi AI. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to create a report on the crypto market using the Kimi AI platform. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Kimi AI URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface of Kimi AI, which features various options for interaction. Next, locate the prompt area on the screen. This section is typically positioned prominently in the center of the interface. Click on the prompt box to activate it, which will allow you to enter your request for report generation. After activating the prompt box, type in the phrase, "Generate reports about crypto market." Make sure to enter the text accurately to ensure that Kimi AI understands your request. Once the text appears in the prompt box, you can proceed to the next step. Now, click on the Enter key or the corresponding button to submit your request. This action will initiate the report generation process. You should see a loading indicator or some form of visual feedback confirming that your request has been received. After submitting your request, be prepared to wait for a moment as Kimi AI processes the information and generates the report. The duration of this process may vary depending on the complexity of the request and the current load on the server. Once the report has been generated, it will appear on your screen. Review the report to ensure it meets your expectations. If necessary, you can generate additional reports by repeating the previous steps with different prompts. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.